Here we are in downtown Panama City, and we've got a great opportunity for you.
That's right, Heather. Just a few minutes away, we've got a multi-unit parcel.
Yep.
Great for investors looking for an income-producing property.
Britt, today we've got a great investor opportunity. One parcel with 6 individual units.
I love that. And as someone who has a property management company, what I love about this parcel is that they're individual units. They're not sharing walls.
Yes.
And when it comes to managing tenants, if they're not sharing walls, it's a whole lot easier and they get a sense of privacy. So I love that from that angle.
Absolutely. And also, all 6 units are currently occupied. Will convey fully loaded.
So it's turnkey.
It's ready to go.
Awesome.
Stay to watch the bloopers. They're a good one today. But for more information, look at the description below. We've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com.
I've lost it.
That's okay.
We've got 6 parcels.
Minutes of
Britt, we've got investment.
I'm sorry. I'm staring at.
We've got an investor. Oh my God.